They call the piano the king of all instruments. For centuries, countless pieces of stunning music have been written for this amazing instrument, capturing the hearts of many. This time, I'm going to introduce my favorite piano apps for iPhone. Piano for iPhone. A very straightforward, simple app that lets you quickly play piano. Notes are labeled in every key, so it makes it perfect for beginners. If you don't like the sound of the piano, you can easily change it to harp, guitar, marimba, electric bass, or zither. You can also record your ideas with record feature in the app. Magic Piano by Smule. Play your favorite songs with your own spin. That sounds great every time. Relax your soul while playing over 1,000 popular piano songs from classical to pop right on your phone and adjust the difficulty, rhythm, and tempo to your liking. Simply Piano by Joy Tunes. A fast and fun way to learn piano from beginner to pro. Learn the basics step by step, from reading sheet music to playing with both hands. Within minutes, you'll start reading music and play along with the familiar songs. Piano Chords, a scales companion. A flexible piano chord and a scale dictionary, and in my opinion, a must-have tool for all music students and teachers. Find a chord or scale by its name. And if you can't remember the name, this app helps you to find it using keys or an external MIDI keyboard. Piano, play unlimited songs. Play timeless piano classics and popular radio hits and play like a pro within seconds. Choose your difficulty level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and choose from a huge catalog of songs and musicals across a variety of genres and themes and start playing. Piano 3D Real AR Piano app. Learn to play piano with 3D graphics and ultra-realistic sound. Experience playing the piano in an amazing augmented world. Have fun by zooming into the soundboard and watch the hammers play the strings. You can also write your own songs and share it to YouTube or Facebook. I hope you guys download and enjoy these fantastic apps and benefit from them. Whether you already know how to play or in the process of learning or just want to have some fun, there's something here for everyone.